Hey, Henry, look outside. The sky looks amazing today. Do you know what kind of weather we have?
Um, I'm not sure, Alma. Can you tell me?
Sure, but first, if you like learning English, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. This way, you won't miss any fun lessons.
Wow. Okay, Alma, I will. Now, tell me about the weather.
Today, the weather is perfect for a fun conversation. By the end of this video, you will learn how to talk about the weather in English like a native speaker.
Yay! I'm excited, Alma.
Great! Talking about the weather is easy and very useful. You can use it in school, with friends, or even at work.
Really? I want to learn.
Okay, let's start with the first step, checking the weather. Henry, look at the sky. What do you see?
Um, it's very bright and shiny.
Yes, today it's sunny. The sun is shining beautifully.
I love sunny weather, Alma. It makes me happy.
Me too. Sunny days are perfect for playing outside, going for a walk, or riding a bicycle.
Yesterday, it rained a lot. I got wet going to school.
Oh no! That's why it's always good to check the weather before leaving home.
How can I check the weather, Alma?
You can check the weather forecast on TV, mobile apps, or websites.
Oh, I see. Tomorrow, what will the weather be like?
Let's see. Tomorrow it will be cloudy, Henry. Some clouds, but maybe no rain.
Good. I like cloudy weather. It's not too hot.
Henry, do you know other types of weather?
Rainy and windy?
Exactly. Rainy is when water falls from the sky, and windy is when the wind blows a lot.
I remember yesterday. It was rainy and windy. I needed my umbrella.
Very good. There are also snowy, stormy, foggy, hot, cold, warm, and cool.
Wow, that's a lot of words.
Don't worry, we'll practice them slowly.
Amma, what does foggy mean?
Foggy is when there is a lot of fog. You can't see far.
Oh, I saw fog last winter near the mountains.
That's right. And stormy means very strong wind, rain, and sometimes thunder and lightning.
Um, I don't like stormy weather. It's scary.
That's okay, Henry. Most people like sunny and warm days. Now let's practice asking about the weather. Repeat after me. What's the weather like today?
What's the weather like today?
Very good. And how do you answer?
Um, it's sunny today?
Perfect. Another one. Is it raining?
Is it raining?
Correct. And you can answer, yes, it is raining, or no, it is not raining.
Yes, it is raining. No, it is not raining.
Excellent. You're learning fast.
Amma, how about windy weather?
Good question. You can ask, is it windy today?
Is it windy today?
And you can answer, yes, it's windy, or no, it's not windy. Henry, last time we talked about sunny, rainy, and windy. Do you remember them?
Yes, Amma. Sunny, rainy, windy.
Great! Today we'll learn more. Have you heard the word stormy?
Mm, yes, Amma. Stormy is heavy rain?
Almost. Stormy means strong wind, heavy rain, and sometimes thunder and lightning.
Oh, that sounds scary.
It can be, Henry. That's why people usually stay inside during a storm.
What about snowy, Amma?
Snowy is when snow falls from the sky. It usually happens in winter.
Yay! I love snow. We can play and make a snowman.
Exactly. And foggy. Do you remember foggy?
Yes. Foggy is when there is a lot of fog and you can't see far.
Very good.
Amma, what's the difference between hot, warm, and cool?
Hot is very warm, like summer days. Warm is not too hot, comfortable, like spring afternoons. Cool is slightly cold, like evenings in autumn.
Oh, I understand.
Now let's talk about the weather in the past.
How can we do that, Amma?
Very simple. We just changed the sentence a little. For example, yesterday it was sunny.
Oh, so we use was instead of is.
Correct. Another example. Last week it rained a lot.
Um, Last month, it was snowy.
Excellent. You are learning fast, Henry.
Amma, yesterday was stormy and windy. Can I say yesterday it was stormy and windy?
Perfect. That's exactly right.
How about last winter?
You can say, last winter it was very cold and snowy.
Yay! I remember we built a snowman last winter.
Now let's learn how to talk about the future.
How do we do that, Amma?
Very simple. We use will or going to. For example, tomorrow it will be sunny.
Oh, so for next week, I can say, next week, it's going to rain.
Exactly. Very good, Henry.
Amma, what about next winter?
You can say, next winter it will be snowy and cold.
Yay! I love snow.
And if you want to warn someone, you can say, it's going to be stormy tomorrow. Stay inside.
Oh, that's useful. I can tell my friends too.
Henry, now we will learn some daily expressions about weather. Repeat after me. It's raining cats and dogs.
It's raining cats and dogs.
Very good. It means it's raining a lot.
Haha, that's funny.
Another one is it's freezing today.
It's freezing today.
Freezing means very cold.
What about sunny? Can we say something fun?
Sure, you can say the sun is shining brightly today.
Oh, that's easy. The sun is shining brightly today.
Good. Another one is it's a bit chilly.
Um, Chilly means slightly cold, right?
Correct.
What about wind?
You can say there's a light breeze today. Breeze means soft wind.
Okay. There's a light breeze today.
Let's practice together. I will ask, and you answer, Henry.
Okay, Amma.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
Was it rainy yesterday?
No, it wasn't rainy yesterday.
Is it going to be windy tomorrow?
Yes, it's going to be windy tomorrow.
Good job. You are speaking very well, Henry. Henry, don't forget to tell our friends.
Yes, friends, if you're enjoying learning English with us, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
That's right. It helps us make more fun lessons for you. Henry, today we learned so much about the weather.
Yes, Amma. Sunny, rainy, cloudy, snowy, windy, and more.
Very good. You also learned how to talk about past weather, future weather, and daily expressions.
I remember, Amma. It's raining cats and dogs, it's freezing, and there's a light breeze.
Excellent, Henley. And don't forget all the seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter.
Yay! I can talk about the weather with my friends now.
That's wonderful, Henry. Talking about the weather is easy if you practice every day.
Amma, what should we do now?
Let's remind our friends to practice too.
Friends, remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon. That way, you will not miss any fun English lessons.
Yes, and keep practicing these words and expressions every day. You will become confident in English in no time.
Thank you for watching.
See you in the next video. Bye, friends.
Bye!